What's up, guys? Hope everybody is well. Today's video is going to be on SPI Energy, stands for Smart Power Innovation. I'm going to quickly talk about my recent trades, then I'm going to go over who SPI Energy is, why they skyrocketed this week, and some of their goals moving forward. I'm going to give my opinion on whether I think they can be successful. I'll go over some of the pros and cons of investing in this company, and then finally a summary. And as always, I try to keep my videos as short as possible to respect your time. I also upload about 2 to 3 new videos per week. So if you do find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free. You'll stay updated. It'll also help out my channel a lot. I'd really appreciate it. That said, let's get started. Full disclosure, I do not own any shares of SPI Energy. This week, I did buy back Carnival. I also bought more shares of Green Power to lower my cost basis, as well as Kensington to lower my cost basis. That's the QuantumScape company. I also bought just a few more shares of Veritone and Workhorse just to lower my cost basis. So if you have any questions on those stocks at all, just leave a comment in the section below. So who is SPI Energy? I'm probably not the only one who had no idea who they were until after Battery Day. They made that announcement that they were going to get into the EV space. And to me, that just says something about the EV space as a whole, when a company can basically come out of nowhere and skyrocket in share price just with an announcement. SPI Energy has headquarters in Santa Clara, California, and based out of Hong Kong. Since 2006, they've been delivering clean energy solutions using their solar and battery storage technologies to customers across the USA, Japan, Australia, Asia, and Europe. Their project development team provides a fully integrated solution to bring projects from conception all the way to construction, including permits, financing, market development, and assisting in securing power purchase agreements. So how does SPI Energy want to grow? Well, they want to leverage their cash flow from solar projects to fund development of higher return potential projects in agriculture, i.e. hemp, alfalfa, and other markets with significant growth potential. That's going to lead us to the EV announcement this past week after Battery Day. They timed the announcement right after Battery Day, and they said that they're going to be launching a unit to develop electric vehicles and charging solutions. Relatively few details in the announcement, and to me, no surprise that the share price had wild swings this week. Dubbed Edison Future, assumingly inspired by Thomas Edison, it's going to be a wholly owned subsidiary based in Santa Clara, California, and it's going to plan to partner with major manufacturers as needed. And this is from their CEO, Peng. With the addition of EV and EV charging segments to our diverse solar business, we are positioning SPI Energy for the future of renewable energy. So can these guys pull it off in an already crowded EV space? For me, it's going to be a huge question mark. Their financials are not up to date, and they're really all over the place. And what concerns me the most is the cash flow. And for me, when a company is trying to switch gears and enter a new competitive market, cash flow is going to be that much more important. It also doesn't help that they don't have any institutional ownership. But to be fair, if they do gain some traction and they do get some bigger investors, that could be a catalyst for this stock. Pros and cons. This company has a small market cap and float, so you should be able to buy it at a specific target price if you're patient. It's also a penny stock and a chance to get in early with a company entering the EV space. And catalysts can include new institutional investors, partnerships, or any other positive press releases. The cons are going to be the lack of institutional ownership, the financials, and the timing and the vagueness of the announcement last week. In summary, the share price spiked on the hype timing of the announcement, not on the pure fundamentals of the company. It's also a very high-risk, high-reward stock. And again, as full disclosure, I do not own shares of this company, but if it was me trading this stock, I would definitely be using a trailing stop-loss order. And that does it for this video. I do upload 2 to 3 new videos per week at least, and I try to keep them short and sweet to respect your time. So if you did find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. That would really help out this channel a lot. I'd appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll be talking to you soon. Take care.